Hi, I'm Scott Roosh, and one of my favorite things to do is garden. There's so many different ways to garden. You can garden with small pots on your patio, you can garden with vegetables and perennials and annuals all throughout your yard. But one thing that I think I really enjoy is bringing my flowers from the outside into my home. And gardening with cut flowers is a lot easier than I think a lot of people think. You can plant a few plants in your yard, whatever you like. Zinnias, sunflowers, marigolds, dianthus, delphinium, snapdragons. All of these are great performing garden plants that you can easily walk out into your yard and grab a few stems and make a beautiful table arrangement for your dinner, when you're having guests over, or just to make yourself feel nice. So a lot of times you can go through just with the scissors or break off the stems in the ground. I like to then clean the stems so that you take the leaves off of the stem. That way when you put it in your vase of water, you have a nice clean look. And then of course, with a lot of cut flowers, you have the added benefit of that beautiful fragrance that you can get with dianthus or carnations or a lot of other garden plants that you might have around. But really, you don't have to focus too much on what plant makes a good cut flower. In general, anything you're growing in your yard, if you have a long enough stem, you can get at least, let's say 3 to maybe 7 to 10 days out of a flower. So bring your garden inside, enjoy it with your family over dinner, take flowers from your backyard when you're going to visit your friends at their house, and you'll just brighten everybody's lives by bringing them some cut flowers from your garden.